Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Cadillac CTS Luxury Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z9601XX. 40,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver coast metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, and wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a powered tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen Cadillac Q infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, with heated seats as well as cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this CTS has a 3.6 liter V6, 321 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this CTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.